Hello friends, welcome to VK Lectures. In this lecture, we are discussing the physics question paper for Karnataka Set 2023. Suppose small q and small p and capital Q and capital P are two pairs of canonical variables. The transformation q equal to q to the power alpha cos beta p and p equal to small q to the power alpha sin beta p is canonical. For we have to find out alpha and beta such that it becomes canonical. So the transformation is from um, small q and small p to capital Q and capital P. Now capital Q equal to uh, okay, that's given here. Let's give the transformation condition, that is dou capital Q by small q, dou q, and dou capital Q by dou p, and dou p by dou q, and dou p by dou p. This determinant has to be equal to 1. Now let's find out what are uh, the uh, elements here. uh, let's find out uh, dou capital Q by dou q. So dou capital Q by small q is q to the power alpha. So cos beta p will remain same. So q to the power alpha, so alpha q to the power alpha minus 1 into cos beta p, and dou capital Q by dou p is q to the power alpha, uh, cos beta p is sin beta p with a minus sign into beta. Now dou p by dou q is the third element. With respect to p, this will be alpha q to the power alpha minus 1 sin beta p. Alright. Now dou capital P by dou p equal to q to the power alpha. Sin beta derivative is cos beta p into beta. So here we can make the determinant here. So alpha q to the power alpha minus 1 cos beta p, then next term is minus q to the power alpha sin beta p into beta. Then we have alpha into q to the power alpha minus 1 sin beta p, then q to the power alpha into cos beta p into beta. So then let's multiply. So alpha q to the power alpha minus 1 into q to the power alpha. So alpha q to the power 2 alpha minus 1 cos square beta p. So alpha beta q to the power 2 alpha minus 1 into cos square beta p minus, so minus of minus it will become plus alpha beta q to the power 2 alpha minus 1 into sine square beta p. So this will become, this should be equal to 1. So here we have alpha beta q to the power 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 1. So alpha can be found out from here. 2 alpha q to the power, this if it has to be equal to 1, then this q to the power 2 alpha minus 1 should be equal to 0. So 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0 means alpha equal to 1 by 2, and if alpha equal to 1 by 2, alpha beta equal to 1 means beta should be equal to 2. So alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to 2. When you substitute alpha equal to 1 by 2 and beta equal to 2, you will get the right hand side equal to 1.